continuation to previous class. So in last class we have seen on a problem. First we find that lines of regression and we find that correlation coefficient. So in this question, first we'll find correlation coefficient. Okay. So first we'll find out correlation coefficient and equation of lines of regression for the following values x and y. Okay. So this is our question. So the following values we'll write now: x, y. So here we have for x values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for y the values are 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. 6 is not there. So only up to 5. So this is our question. Okay. So first we'll find out correlation coefficient. So we have two formulas. So in previous problem we have used one formula for regression. So here we'll use another formula for correlation coefficient. So that formula is this. First I'll write the formula because you should know what and all values you need from the construction of table. So what is the formula for R? R is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square whole divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Okay. So this is our formula. We can represent it as equation number 1. So that finally we need to substitute the values of all the variables here. That is sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma z square. So like that. So what is this sigma x? Sigma x square is, the formula for sigma x square is summation x square divided by n minus x bar square. Okay, this is the formula. We'll substitute and get the value at last after doing table construction. So next, similarly, sigma y square, that is summation y square divided by n minus y bar square. Similarly, sigma z square, that is summation z square divided by n minus z bar square. So what is this x bar, y bar, z bar mean? See, x bar is nothing but summation of x divided by n. Correct? Summation of x divided by n. So summation of x we need to add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So it is 15 divided by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of entries are 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. So we got x bar value. Similarly, y bar. Y bar means summation y divided by n. So summation y is 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. Correct. 16 plus 7, 23 divided by 8 plus 7, 15, no, 15 plus 5, 20, so 20 plus 5, 25. Yeah, it is 25, not 23. 25 divided by 5. So it is 5. Okay. Now we got summation mean x, mean y, and mean z. First of all, you don't have the value for z. See, what is this z means? I will show you. Summation z divided by n, where z is nothing but x minus y. Correct. So this is the formula for z. Z is equal to x minus y. So now we'll go for the table. So what and all values I need? I need summation small x square, summation small y square, summation small z square. See, anyhow in the Cal C there is possible only for x comma y. So if in your Cal C it is possible means you can go for z also. But in this Cal C, that regression step will use no. That is possible for only 2 data. I will show you. The third data will do it directly. So first we have small x and then small y and then capital Z. So Z formula is x minus y, and then x square I need, correct? So here we have x square, and then y square I need, and then z square I need. So what is x data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y data is 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. Similarly, x minus 5. So 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 5, minus 6. 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 8, minus 4. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Okay. So these are the values we got. So what and all values I need? Summation x that I got already. So it is 3. That is 15. And then summation y, that is 25. Already I got. And summation y I don't know. So I will do it. So next x square I don't know. So I need summation x square value. Similarly, y square, summation y square value I need. Similarly, z square, summation z square value I need. Okay.
Summation z sir ಅದು y ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? z is equals to x minus y.
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಇದಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಾಕಿ.
Correct. Summation z. Yeah. So we'll use calci for these two data. First we'll do it. So same. Yeah. So shift mode all to reset. So you self have to do it and give me the value of summation x square and summation y square. Same method. Last class we have done, no? Same like that. Summation x square and summation y square I need. First.
55, sir.
Yes, summation x square is 55. Yeah, next summation y square. So no need to write this. You got the value.
151, sir. 151.
Yeah, it is correct. So now z square we can't get directly, okay? Because we have given only 2 data. And third data, if you take means it will show syntax error like this. See? Mode regression, linear. So if you give 3 data, 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 m plus, it shows syntax error. So it is possible for only 2 variables. Then third data, how to do means summation z we don't know. So just add it, minus 1, minus 3, plus 0, minus 4, minus 2 is equal to
minus 10.
What you got? Minus 10. Yeah. Similarly, do for z square. Minus 1 whole square, 1, 9, 0, 16, 4. Add it, you will get summation z square. Yes, it is 30. So we got all the values. So let us substitute in these equations to get the values of sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma z square. Okay. So first we'll find out z bar. Summation z is minus 10. Minus 10 divided by n is nothing but 5. So it is minus 2. So you got all the values. So these 3 values we got. Next, summation x square. Summation x square is 55. 55 divided by 5 minus x bar. X bar is 3. So 3 square is equal to, do it and give me the answer. Similarly, summation y square. Summation y square 150. 1 divided by 5 minus y bar is 5. 5 square is equal to, then summation z square 30. 30 divided by 5 minus z bar is minus 2 whole square is equal to. Yeah. Do it and give me the answer. So 55 divided by 5. Yes. It is 2. Next. Sigma y square.
5.2, sir.
5.2. Yeah. Next sigma z square.
2.
Hmm?
2, sir.
Yeah.
2 8 sir.
It is 2. So we got these three values so that we can substitute in equation number 1. So now substitute sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma z square values in equation 1. So that equation 1 gives r is equal to what we have in the beginning, sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square. Sigma x square is 2 plus sigma y square is 5.2 minus sigma z square is 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, divided by 2 into sigma x. See, this is important. It is just sigma x, not sigma x square. So sigma x we need means we need to take square root of 2 and then square root of 5.2. Correct. So now do this and give me the answer for r.
0.8062.
0.8062,
62.
approximately 0.81 we can take. Okay. So greatest to 0. So more than 0 is 1. So that is next digit is 1. So 0.81. So therefore r is equal to 0.81 is the final answer. So this finishes r. Okay. So next, what we need a regression line. So what is the formula for regression lines? Regression of line of y on x and x on y are. So two equations are there. No, I'll write that one first. Y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Similarly, x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x. So do it already, all the values you know, just substitute and get the answer. R also you know. So now sigma y into y minus y bar. So on substituting, what we are getting y minus y bar is 5, r is 0.81, sigma y is sigma y, that is square root of 5.2 divided by square root of 2 into x minus x bar is 3. So similarly, x minus 3 is equal to r is nothing but 0.81. So root of 2 divided by root of 5.2 into y minus 5. Yeah. So do substitution. I need an equation in terms of y and in terms of x. So final representation you need to tell. First equation, y is equal to what and x is equal to what. Therefore, y is equal to and x is equal to. Okay, what I should write? Do simplification first and give me the final step for y. So how to do means first simplify this part, that is 0.81 root 52 by root 2. So you'll get some value. So multiply this value with the bracket, that is you'll get for this how much 1.306. Okay, then substitute with x minus substitute with 3. It means multiply with 3 and multiply with x, and afterwards 10 minus 5 to other side. It will give
So
the
y
final
is equals to 1.306x plus 1 point
306
x x, sir,
x
plus 1.082.
yeah, correct. Similarly, x, do it others. make it fast. Yes. Gopinath.
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ.
ಸರ್ 0.50 ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 502 ಹಾಕೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ.
502
ವೈ.
ವೈ. ಇರಿ ಸರ್. ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
y minus 5 it is.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
0.502.
2.511 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. 2.511.
ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ 3ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳ್ಸು.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ -2.511 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಮಾಡು.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 5.511.
0.48 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು.
ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
0.49 sir.
Yes, 0.49 will get. Correct. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
Okay. So this is lines of regression. So we'll go for next one. So fourth problem is for homework. You need to do by yourself. Fifth one I'll do. So given the equation of regression lines x is equal to 19.13. So this is next question. Minus 0.87y and y is equal to 11.64 minus 0.5x minus 0.5x, comma, compute is nothing but we need to find. Compute means of x, means of y and coefficient of correlation. First we'll write what we need to find. Okay. See, mean of x is nothing but x bar, correct? Mean of y is nothing but y bar. Next, correlation of coefficient is nothing but r. Okay. So these three values we need to find. So this is the two equations which they have given. See, we should know one point which is very, very important. So don't forget this. Okay. So that point is the regression line. Listen carefully. The regression lines always passes through the point x bar comma y bar. So this you need to remember. Always it passes through the point x bar comma y bar, that is mean of x and mean of y. So that what about given equations becomes? So the given equation becomes, in the place of x we need to write x bar minus 0.87, in the place of y, y bar we need to take. And similarly y bar is equal to 11.64 minus 0.5 x bar. So now you know how to find x bar and y bar. See, we got two equations, that is linear equation in two variables. You can simplify by using scientific calculus, that is unknown. So how many unknowns are there? Two unknowns are there. You need to press equation which shows two unknowns, so that you need to give the value. So before that, what you need to do, you need to express an equation, general form of linear equation two variables, that is ax plus by correct is equal to c. Like that we need to express, or x plus y is equal to 0. So that is x bar So when you send minus 0.7 other side, so plus 0.87 y bar is equal to 19.13. Similarly for this y bar plus 0.5 x bar is equal to 11.64, and get the values of x bar and y bar. So once again I'll write x bar plus 0.87 y bar is equal to 19.13. Then this one, first I'll write x, that is 0.5 x bar plus y bar is equal to 11.64, so that it is easy to take coefficient. Yes, do it and give me the value. Fast.
Sir, sir,
Yeah,
X is 15.934.
yeah, correct. 15.934. So you can take greater number 4 also. Next, y bar.
3.67.
Yes, 3.67. So we got x bar and y bar. So it is nothing but mean values we got. These two is over. Next is R. When you have lines of regression, what is the formula for R? Anybody? When you know lines of regression equation, what is the formula for R? That is correlation coefficient. First, lines of regression ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ R formula ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು?
So R is equals to plus or minus square root of coefficient of X into coefficient of Y.
Coefficient of X into coefficient of Y. So now, what is coefficient of X? You will get coefficient of X in this equation because it is independent variable, and coefficient of Y will get here. So that is minus 0.5 into minus 0.87. Do it fast. Square root of minus 0.5 into minus 0.87. Rohit, solve it and tell me. See, everyone should involve.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't waste time. Solve it, Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Hemant. Easy only, man. If you have scientific calculus, you can say directly. Hemant. Okay, any others?
Point 659, sir.
Point 659.
659.
So you can, yeah, 6 you can take. 6 9 can be written. 5 9 can be written as 6. So 0.66 is your answer for R. And still it is there. See here, what is the coefficient of X and coefficient of Y? They are in negative signs, correct? They are in negative signs. So since both the regression coefficient are negative, R is equal to minus 0.66 is the final answer. So this one step you need to remember. Okay. We'll go for next question. So next question, they have given the series, that is X series, Y series. In that mean they have given SD. SD is nothing but sigma. So that is 18, 14, 100, 20. They have given the series. Now what we need to find means, and also R they have given, R is equal to 0.8, and compute lines of regression. That is, line of regression is question mark. And also find Y, when X is equal to 70. That is, at X is equal to 70, we need to find Y. Okay. So first of all, I'll write what and all given values. Mean is nothing but for X bar. Okay. What is given part? X bar is equal to 18. Y bar is equal to 100. Sigma X is 14. Sigma Y is 20. And R is equal to 0.8. That is it here. Okay. So all the values I wrote. So now what I need to find? Line of regression thing. So you know already the formula. Y minus Y bar is equal to R into sigma Y divided by sigma X into X minus X bar. Similarly, X minus X bar is equal to R into sigma X divided by sigma Y into Y minus Y bar. Now you know all the values, okay? You know all the values like Y minus Y bar is 100, R is 0.8, sigma Y is 20 divided by sigma X is 14, correct, into X minus X bar is 18. Similarly, how you done previously? So solve it and give me the final equation. So there we have X minus X bar is 18 is equal to 0.8 into sigma X, that is 14 divided by 20 into Y minus 100. Yeah, therefore Y is equal to what and X is equal to what? First, do it. Same like previous one.
So y is equals to 1.14 x plus 79.48.
Yeah, correct. Other than Brinda. ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ರು. Ajit, Aryan.
Yes, sir.
What is X man? X is equal to what?
Yeah, once again, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ sir.
Sir, 0.56 Y.
0.56 Y.
Y.
Correct.
200. 50 minus 56, sir.
Minus
56.
56.
Minus 38, sir.
Minus 38 is correct. ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು
ಸರಿ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ವೇಟ್, this is how we'll get. Here also I wrote directly. See, first you need to simplify this. Okay, and you need to multiply with X and then this part, and then you need to send minus 100 to other side. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And also still it is there. Why we need to find at X is equal to 70. So at X is equal to 70, Y is equal to 1.14 into 70 plus 79. ಯಾವ equation ಆದರೂ substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, you will get the same answer, 79. Since it is already equated to Y, we use this equation. Yeah, do it. 1.14 into 70 plus 79.48 is equal to
159.28, sir.
128. Yeah. So this is the correct answer. Yeah. Stop the recording, man. So if any doubts in this class, you want to clarify, you can ask. So next